What an event! What a marvelous extravaganza that was the pre-independence celebration at Presidency University. Everybody is excited because the man behind that was Mr. Dr. Y. Raja, and we have Syed Ansari sir, our administrative head, and also we have Babuna, our favorite Talavar, that's what we call him. Fantastic teamwork. But first of all, sir, what did you witness? Did you see this ever before?
Really, it's a fabulous job. What this gentleman has carried out, that one is amazing. I am speechless because I want to tell you only one thing. I joined here institution, but just a 90 days old baby. But I am unable to imagine that one. This type of a program under my guidance, it will be happening. That one really is amazed. Is a hats off to him, and hats off to Presidency University, entire PGI group, and whosoever is involved, all this the champions and warriors. Really, they are all the real soldiers. They are given that one. Actually, this event, why we kept this one? The only one reason. During the fire incidents, how the army, how the police, how the normal trained ERT person, how they are saving the people. So that's what we wanted to showcase here. That is our motto. That is the intention in this 75th anniversary of the Independence Day. And I salute all the people. Thank you very much. You are giving this type of a fabulous job. Thank you, Babu. Thank you, Dr. Raja. And thank you very much. God bless you.
Superb, Syed sir. Thank you so much for your blessings. But the man here, can we hear it for him? Hip hop! Hip hop! Hip hop! Dr. Y. Raja. Y. Raja like this. So much effort, so much fantastic work by Dr. Y. Raja. But where do you get this josh from? I'm sure you're that NCC cadet who is doing all this. But pre-independent day, 75th years of independence, you come from a freedom fighters family. How proud a moment this is?
It's a great honor. And as you mentioned that I came from the family where my grandparents are freedom fighters, and I won Best Citizen Award in Republic Day Parade in year 2002 from Andhra Pradesh Public Police in Guntakal, and I represent India in different platforms in foreign SAARC countries. And apart from all these things, as academics is there, but I would like to say one quote for younger generation, those are coming here.
You are also young, Raja.
Yes. Think smart, but do hard work.
Right.
So we should think smart and we should do hard work. And I would like to say a few words, very important words. Without help of Sir, Babu, and our special task force and securities, and we are telling that Presidency Army. And we always take motivation. Whenever we will do thumb means the voice. We always want this voice to be here at least 2 kilometers of radius. That is our Josh. We want to test our
How's the Josh?
No, it's not enough third time.
How's the Josh?
Oh, good. Sir, this is our presidency. It's what you can say, it's a very small thing. So here, whomever you are seeing, everyone is champion. Everyone having their own talents. So last but not least, please do level best and say, how's the Josh? Yes, thank you, sir. Over to you.
My God. Now I understood how the training came from. You don't leave them like that, right? Superb. But here, the man who gave us the through shot, the man who gave us the camera shot inside the fire. Babana, ரொம்ப பேர் கவலைப்பட்டாங்க நீங்க வந்து அந்த எகிரி குதிக்கவே மாட்டீங்க அப்படிட்டு, but you proved everybody wrong and you jumped through that fire, man. How was it?
Age is a number. We can do it. Anything we can. If we decided, we will do it. Then my boys have done excellent job. It was superb, and thanks to Mr. Raja, Dr. Raja, and support of my associate director, Mr. Syed Askari sir. Hats off to him for each and everything. He supported us a lot, and I congratulate our STF staffs and our D1 securities. They did excellent. They worked so hard from last 1 week. They done excellent. Superb. It was. And thank you so much. Thanks to Presidency University, my chairman, and each and everyone who has participated in that.
Fantastic. So that is the 75th Independence Day that we'll be concluding on this note. This is
one note is there. We should not remember. We should not forget the people. Those are covering media all the time. So thanks to the people, Mr. Pingal, Naveen, and Arun, and all the team.
There you go. This is why he's a leader of a team. He doesn't forget anyone. Then we were 75th Independence Day at Presidency University. This was such a wonderful event, and also personal thanks to the whole HR team for organizing this and giving us the permission to do this. Finally, Bolo Bharat Mata Ki! Bolo Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Ambage!